What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and as promised you guys, we are unboxing Rosalind gel polish this time. And this kit, how adorable. Look at you guys. I know I watched Femi's video of unboxing this product, and she said one of her all-time favorite parts of this kit was that it had the little peep windows for the gel polish, which actually she said she never even seen this before, but you guys know that Model 1s does have gel polishes that have those little peeps, and in my previous video where I used them, I told you guys how much I absolutely loved that like feature of those gel polishes. So yeah, I thought that was so funny and really cute and adorable that she really liked that, because I love it. And as far as the numbers, there was no specific number situation going on here with these gel polishes, but I will tell you the formula I love. I know I'm just swatching on paper. If you guys have been keeping up with my videos, then you probably have heard me say that I like to go ahead and just put sticky tack on these and then stick them up onto the board right in front of me, and that gives me an opportunity to really visualize everything and think of ideas. And I have a lot of ideas that I'm going to be executing, so I'm really excited. As for this set, I did see that Femi went with like a gothic girly vibe for her review of this product, and I was really inspired because I always love her designs, and like she literally just does nothing and it comes out like, oh my god, so extra. And I was like, you know what, I think I want to kind of like have a play off of that idea. So you guys are going to see the design idea that I come up with, but it's going to be like a gothic girly inspired vibe too. And I may make that one like one of the this or that videos, because it would be cool to make like a super long set and then make like a shorter version, instead of just doing like all 10 nails one. But I also really love like some of the really lighter colors. Like you guys will see with all the swatches, I was thinking these colors, all of these colors are giving like ice cream shop vibes. So it'd be nice to like create some kind of ice cream shop vibes. I don't know, you guys can always DM me some ice cream nail designs that I can do, like kind of like a gel polish nail art design, or maybe even add, like I do have those 𝑠avvyland glow in the dark acrylic powders, which would be really cool to make like ice cream. So I can make like some 3D nail art or something like that. So that would be an idea, but those are mostly neon colors. So well, there are the neutral, like the more nature tones. Could always do that and then put like jelly colors over it, you know, like if there's, or like make the colors like more translucent and paint over the acrylic, the 3D acrylic nail art. So that's an option as well. But yeah, those are just some random things that I have been considering. And thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. If you're not already subscribed and you do like these videos, feel free to go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post. I did have some of you emailing me, or not emailing me, but direct messaging me and tell me that you didn't get your notifications when I upload. So I've heard that before. That's why I went ahead and started to make an attempt and a strong pursuit to go ahead and include a blog post with each upload. So if you guys go down to the description, then you will end up seeing a blog post accompanying this video, and that way if you want to subscribe to my blog, then whenever I post onto my blog, then you'll get an update, and then that way you can always see like, oh, okay, she posted onto YouTube. But that's just extra stuff. So anyways, how do you guys look at this, like the milkiness of this gel polish and the coverage, but also like the fact that it has a translucent-esque to it, I really love. But yeah, anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and leave me a big fat like. I feel like I have to say that stuff. It's like an obligation. And I know you guys, happy September. Congratulations, it's finally September. And I was reminded, one of my friends must be watching my videos, because my friend Justin texted me like, hey, something about Labor Day. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I did not even know that it was Labor Day. Good call, because otherwise I would have started my giveaway on September 1st, and then I would have had to go through the whole Labor Day thing all over again. I don't want to do that, because actually it's been about a whole year since my first giveaway. So you guys are going to be seeing some information very, very soon regarding my next giveaway. It is going to be more likely than not called the Spam for Spam Giveaway 2.0, subscribers appreciation, something like that. Hold on. I think it's because I wanted to include followers and subscribers, because followers for Instagram and then subscribers for YouTube. So I was like, spam, hold on, you guys. Spam for Spam Giveaway 2.0, followers, supporters and subscribers edition. Yeah, that's what it was called, supporters and subscribers edition. So then that way it's very fluid. But you guys, by the way, you can save on this product if you would like to purchase it and try it yourself. And honestly, with the glitters that I'm about to, this is the part of the video that I've been waiting for. Okay, so this is the one that Femi fell in love with, which how could you not? It's literally so freaking stunning. And that super beautiful royal electric blue over to the left is very beautiful as well. But we're about to light some fireworks. It's not this one, you guys. It's not this one. I put this one over there. But when we get to those next few glitters, it's giving me like, I used to have all these glitters I was obsessed with from Model 1s, and I still am, honestly. I love all of their gel polishes, especially their glitters. I feel like they specialize in glitters more than they do like in the solid colors. But like, look at this. Like, who, like, oh, it's giving midnight, it's giving twilight, it's giving shooting stars, it's giving mermaid, it's giving. But anyways, look at this red. Like, how could we not? I instantly wanted to do a red bottom set with this and that black. I think I will do it again. I love doing the red bottom sets, and I have yet to do a black and red one. Also, I think I'm going to be getting a black from Nail Reserve, and I'm really excited to try that one. But look at, guys, more glitters, so pretty, super, super cute. So I definitely need you guys to drop some comments down below and let me know what you think of all these beautiful colors. I absolutely love them. I'm definitely creating looks with these. The ice cream nails, I was even thinking of doing marble nails, so don't go stealing all my ideas, y'all. But you guys are going to see some stuff coming up real soon. Also, please be sure to drop a comment and let me know how you're liking these uploads back to back to back to back to back, because this is like the new wave that I'm about to be riding. Slowly but surely things are coming together with you all's support, and I thank you all so much, and I love you. I will see you in the next upload. Don't forget to smash that like button on the way out. Ahala. Peace.